Hello, good afternoon, fourth class. This is your English literature period, okay? And this is our course book. And we have started our second chapter, Elephant Feast, okay? You have done hard words. I will send you a picture, okay? Don't worry. If you can't see from the video, I will send you a picture of those hard words and word meanings, okay? Meanings are all also in your book. You can see from your book also. Now, say what is common to these pictures. Flies, birds, ant hills, and this is tent, okay? It means these are the shelters where these flies live in a hive and birds make a nest for them. Look at this. This bird has made a nest out of these leaves by stitching these leaves, and ants make these hills type to live, okay? And this is for a human being. It shows that all living things need shelter. All living things also need food to live. You know this very well. है ना? आपको भी खाना चाहिए, रहने के लिए जगह चाहिए, है ना? सोने के लिए. Now, this is the story of a grandmother, grandfather, and their children, and some villagers are there, and elephants are there in this story. You have come to know. I have told you about this in the last class. The children snuggled up to grandma. Snuggled means settle into a comfortable position. Means गोदी में बैठ गए दादी माँ की. It was story time and grandma had a lot of interesting stories to share. It means that now grandma is free to tell them some stories, and she has many interesting stories to tell them. Why? Because grandma's husband was a forest officer, okay? And they lived in forests also. Tell us one of your forest stories, grandma, said Ishan. Ishan, who was her grandson, she asked her to tell them a forest story. Okay? Yes, said Neil. And another grandson, who was Neil, he said that one about the tiger. He tell us about the tiger, about a story in which there must be a tiger. No, tell us one of your elephant stories, like the one about the newborn elephant. Okay? Calf that made you fall, or the one about the wild elephant that rubbed its back against your house and you thought it was an earthquake. Were you very frightened, Grandma? Now, Neil said, they are choosing the stories. Ishan said that tell us a forest story. Neil said that it must be a story about a tiger. Now, Ishan, he said that they are just choosing which character should be in the story. He said that tell us an elephant story, or a newborn elephant must be there, or an interesting story in which an elephant rubbed his back with your against your house and you thought it was an earthquake, because वो इतना हैवी एलिफेंट जब रब कर रहा था तो उनके घर की दीवार जो है हिलने लग गई, और शी थॉट दैट इट वाज एन अर्थक्वेक, कि भूकंप आया. अर्थक्वेक मीन्स भूकंप आ रहा है. वर यू वेरी फ्राइटेंड ग्रैंडमा? क्या आप डर गए थे? बहुत ज़्यादा डर गए थे? Oh yes, I was. Well, I will tell you an elephant story which will show you how intelligent these animals are. What Dardima said? She said that she will tell a story about about elephant, which will show them that elephants are very intelligent creatures. कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं, बहुत बुद्धिमान होते हैं. इंटेलिजेंट मीन्स बुद्धिमान. ओके. दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड केयरिंग क्रीचर्स. ओके. इट मीन्स दे हैव गुड ब्रेन्स. लॉन्ग एगो, when your grandpa was a forest officer, he was sent to Bengdubi. She said that a long time ago, when his husband, their grandfather was a forest officer, then he transferred to Bengdubi. Bengdubi is a place in Siliguri. Okay, it is a forest outpost. Outpost means a small camp near Siliguri at the foothills of the Himalayas. We are also living in the foothills of Himalayas, that is in Chandigarh. Chandigarh is in the foothills of Himalayas, Shivalik range. Okay, and Siliguri is in the foothills of Himalayas. Okay, outpost is a small camp. It is the place where they were living. The area is known as the Doors, which means doors to the mountains. This area, what they said to this area? Doors. Doors means doors, door to the mountains. Darwaza mountains के लिए के entrance. He was sent there to check out what the people living there called the elephant menace. Elephant menace means someone creating a lot of trouble. A problem, you can say, elephant problem. He went to there. Why? Because the people living there, the people who were living there at Siliguri, you can say Bengdubi, they were complaining that the elephants were creating a problem. Okay, menace, problem. What this meant was that wild elephants were wandering into rice fields and eating up the crops at night. It means that wild elephants were wandering into the rice fields and eating up the crops at night. At night, they wander, elephants wander in the fields and eat up all their crops. Means their फसल उनकी जो खा जाते थे, चावल की फसल. The night guards tried to scare off the hungry beasts, but the elephants were not so easily frightened. वो जो नाइट गार्ड थे, जो रक्षक थे वहाँ के, वो ट्राई करते थे उनको डराने की, ये जो भूखे 20 एनिमल्स, बट एलिफेंट्स वर नॉट सो इजीली फ्राइटेंड, वो डरते नहीं थे. Your grandpa went out to inspect the place. He found that a large part of the forest had been cut down. He went there because he was transferred there just because of the elephant menace. He went there and he went out to check what is wrong there. He found that a large part of the forest had been cut down. कि वो जो the part of a big part of the forest had been cut down. Only a very narrow stretch is a part of land, a piece of land of the old forest area remained. Only some patch of the old forest was remained, and the elephants lived there, and in that area elephants lived. Elephants need a big place to live in and also a lot of food. Elephants are big animals, huge animals, and they need a large area to live, and they had to eat a lot of food because their body is very huge. They need a lot of food. The people had taken these away, but the people had cut down the forest and they had taken away. They had sneezed. So sorry. They had taken away all that area, and their food. How would you feel if your home was taken away and you didn't have enough to eat? How would you feel? आपको कैसा लगेगा जब आपका खाना और घर कोई छीन ले, है ना? वेरी बैड ऑफ कोर्स सेड नील. नील सेड बहुत बुरा लगेगा. We will feel very bad. Okay, the next part of the story I will read in the next class. Okay, and I will send you picture of hard words and word meanings. Okay, don't worry. Have a good day. Bye.